Hi, this is Rosa from Rosa Bakes, and I'm gonna assemble my torta italiana, which has the cream, vanilla cream. Well, I don't really think of this as a cream more than a pudding. It has more of that pudding consistency. And I've already placed the simple sugar rum, soaked it into the sponge, the Italian sponge. Cut the sponge in half. Now I did make a meringue. I didn't like how it turned out because I don't have a piping bag, and it would have been better if I'd put the meringue in a piping bag and then put it in the oven. It just didn't look very nice, so I'm not going to use it. I'm going to just do it without. So I'm going to take the bottom, place it right onto the serving dish. And I'm going to take some of this pudding, vanilla pudding. So there's rum into the sponge. I'm going to turn this off. I want to take about half. Take that, some more, and spread that out onto the cake. So if I don't have enough, I had anticipated using the meringue on top. I'm going to spread that all the way to the edge. And I want to put in a little bit more to use that. It's all the way to the edge. So I cut some strawberries here, and I'd like to lay these strawberries onto this pudding. And I will also place the pudding, vanilla. They say cream in my mom's recipe. It's not really hers. I think it was a friend of hers who wrote that. It's not my mom's handwriting. That said it was a cream. To me, it seems more of a pudding base, but let's see what I have in here. I'll need for the top and sides. Just put a little bit more. And again, if it doesn't come out so nice on the top, what I can do is, what I'm going to do actually, is put some shaved, sorry, I'm just concentrating here, putting some shaved chocolate on top. Okay, so from here, what I'd like to do is lay out these sliced strawberries all the way around. And I keep layering around. Then I'll put the top on. And then I'll put the cream on top of that. So I'm sure you don't want to be looking at me doing this the entire time. So I will be back with the top on in a minute.